Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today. You know the drill. If you're watching in recording, you're welcome to come forward or stay with us through our hellos. I cannot see, I see that some people are joining. I cannot see your names. So if you want to identify yourselves, please do. Good morning, Gina. And today I'm at a friend's house in Brooklyn. It may seem like snow on the background, and I mean on the foreground in front of you, but it is not snow. It is white fence. We still haven't gotten any snow, although there were many promises throughout these 3 weeks that I have been here. Good morning, Mary. And again, yesterday was so warm, like 50 degrees. And today is, I think it's 28 now. So it's quite cold. It's definitely a challenging weather. Good morning, Sandra. Yeah, Gina, it's a beautiful piece of art. I don't know what it is. You think it's a bell? Maybe. Let's try to touch it. Oops, nothing happens. Okay, just a beautiful piece of art. Good morning, Cindy. I'm sorry, I haven't tagged anybody because I am not connected to their Wi-Fi. For some reason, my friend doesn't remember their Wi-Fi password, and her husband has already left for work, and I came late last night. So anyway, I will figure out all these connections later and tag you when I'm able. For now, I believe, oh my God, my phone is not, I believe it is our time. Good morning, Mike. I believe it's time for us to start. It's so funny with every new setup, I have to figure things out. So give me a moment. It's nice to be flexible, but it's hard to be flexible when I'm wearing 2 puffy coats and a hat. All right. So let's just do a quick sound check. Can you guys hear me well? Hello, hello. Can you hear me well? Please say something before I start. Yes, thank you. Good. All right. So today, we're going to continue our exploration of the embodied life. Yesterday, we talked about why a truly embodied life is important and why it would be a good idea to live like this. And we did a very basic practice, a body scan. But instead of looking at the body as the outside observer, as we often do while doing mindfulness meditation, we tried yesterday to truly inhabit the body, do the practice as a body, sensing itself from the inside out. And today we'll take it a step further with a few curious inquiries while in the body scan mode. Without further ado, let's begin. Take a comfortable position. And as always, take a few moments to notice what's going on. For the practice today, we will choose the sensations in your right hand again as your primary anchor. And every time you notice that your mind drifts off, bring your awareness gently but firmly back to the sensations in your right hand. So right now, notice it. Be sure to connect with your right hand really well so that it can serve you as a good anchor throughout the whole practice. And now, having this anchor, notice all the circumstances of your practice, and not as an outside observer to your experiences, but rather as an active participant, as a body breathing itself, sensing all the sensations, sounds, temperature, humidity, the softness of the surface you're sitting or lying on, sensing it all as a body. How does it feel to sense your whole being as a body from the inside out? Spend a few moments with your direct experience. And if you notice that your mind starts drifting off and you are not here anymore, simply bring yourself back to the sensations of your right hand, so vivid, so real, anchoring you in the present moment, where the body always lives. Now sense the crown of your head from the inside out. What are the sensations there? Maybe tingling, heat, coolness, maybe numbness. Maybe you don't feel it. Sense your face from the inside out. What are the actual sensations there? And be careful not to imagine your face from the outside, but rather feel it from the inside. Sense your throat, your right arm, shoulder to hand, from the inside out. Your left arm, shoulder to hand, from the inside out. Sense your torso, front to back, also from the inside out. And remember, if your mind wanders, bring it back to the sensations in your right hand. So vivid, so real. Your right hand anchoring you in the present moment, where the body always lives. Bring your attention to your pelvis, your right leg, hip to foot, your left leg, hip to foot. And now sense your whole body as one brilliant sensation. Don't just imagine it or conceptualize the vision of your body. Really connect with the felt sense of yourself as a living, breathing body. Does this sensation feel familiar or not so much? Keep with this embodied experience as I take you through a few inquiries. Where am I not feeling? Where are the blind spots? Am I avoiding some areas of my body? And if you notice that any area is hard to feel, it can be helpful to add some very, very gentle, subtle movement, or maybe breathe into this area, or maybe touch yourself slowly and gently on the surface of that area that is hard to feel for you. Continuing to be connected to your felt sense of your body. Ask yourself, how deeply am I feeling? What would it mean to be really present to the body right now, right here? Am I aware of the body, or am I aware as a body? What would aware as a body mean as an experience right now? Now connect to any feeling in your body that is really prominent for you, that is very easy to feel. Maybe it's in your belly, in your chest. And start exploring this area in detail. What is this feeling in more detail? You can gently name the sensations if you want. Tingling, coolness, heat. Or just feel them without any labeling. Now let that go and ask yourself, how much can I feel at once? and really sink into this experience, the felt experience as a body, living, breathing in this very moment. And lastly, perhaps a most curious question: where does my body feel more or less like me? Where feels more or less like me? As you go through your day today, I invite you to stay with this embodied experience as a body as much as you can. Whenever you remember, maybe put alarms on your phone to remind you to take a moment and feel as a body, breathing, living body. And especially connect to the areas that are hard for you to feel. And don't worry if this is a challenging exercise. This is not something we do all the time. So like with everything new, it's something that needs practice. Keep asking yourself, where does it feel more or less like me in my body? Where is the I in this whole embodied experience? And allow the answers to come from within the body, to come somatically to you, not from logic, not from your brain. And see, maybe it will change the experience of your entire day, or at least of that very moment where you're connecting as a body. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.